Hi you guys, so this is the first time I'm recording the video for YouTube and I just don't know what's going on. I just thought that Valentine's Day would be a good start to would be a good occasion to upload the video, and I actually got an idea on what to do for that video, so it's not just a video for the sake of making the video. So I decided I'm going to do Valentine's Day makeup. So first of all, we're gonna use a Fenty Beauty makeup base in a shade Soft Matte. I'm just gonna use it. Let's shake it first. I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply it. As you can tell, and she's gonna even apply it to her face. Now, when that's done, we're gonna hop onto our Huda Beauty foundation in a shade, it's just her classic regular foundation in a shade Vanilla. It's full filter high coverage cream foundation in a shade Vanilla 120B. And just giving you warning that this foundation is really high coverage. It's just gonna give you the coverage that you just cannot beat. Oh my god, the church is, the bells are ringing. Is that a sign, guys? It's so funny. Okay, let's move on. So now we're gonna hop on to concealer. It's a Shape Tape concealer. I've got it in a really light shade, which is very neutral. So we're gonna pop it under our eyes. I don't usually put too much of that because it's like, it's gonna give you a proper mask. It's gonna give you a proper coverage. A little bit here, a little bit here. So that's what's up. And I'm just gonna use that side of a sponge. And we're just gonna pop a little bit on that little friend that I've got in there. Can you see? My Valentine. Now it's time to use a bit of a powder. So I'm gonna use a MAC powder, Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade, I think it's a shade Light Plus. It looks a little bit like that. So let's use my powder brush. So the next stage we're gonna do is we're gonna pop those little hearts, and I'm gonna stick it on my face. And then we're gonna put a blush, and then we're gonna see, let's see if it sticks on. I might use a little bit, just a little bit of eyelash glue. Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted, guys. Oops. Yay! So basically, I'm gonna put it all over my face, and I'll come back to you because it's gonna take ages before I finish. So I'll see you in a sec. Hello, you guys. I'm back. So now my plan is to use a different color blushes. So the first blush I'm gonna use is actually this one. I think it's a beautiful peach one, and it's the California. We're gonna and try not to like brush them like this, because I'm just scared those hearts are gonna come off. They are glued and everything, but still, you don't know. Now I've got this beautiful palette from Smashbox. I guess it was a limited edition, but it's called Smashbox Drawn In Decked Out Shadow Contour and Blush Palette, and it looks a little bit like that. It's been barely used, but let's see what blushes they have in here. My eyes are gonna be, you guessed it, pink. And I want to use something strong. Okay. Now let's, oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. It comes from the Too Faced Clover, I think that palette is called. I don't know if it's still available in sale or not. Oh my god, look at that. Whoops. Look at that purple in here. Wow. Sorry, I don't want to. Looks amazing. Must be talking to an angel. Must be talking to an angel. So we're gonna do a little bit something like that. So it looks a little bit like that. And now we're going to use, and I've got this palette. I haven't even unpacked it yet, but it's the latest palette from Too Faced and it's called Pumpkin. We're gonna use this one. It's called Fall For It. I'm gonna use it here. We're gonna use the here. Okay, now let's move on. From the same palette, we're gonna use this eyeshadow and we're gonna use it on the crease to give it a little bit more definition and more pinkiness, of course. Hey, what's up? I don't know what's going on in my eyes. I don't really know. Must be talking to an angel. Must be talking to an angel. Did you see the difference? Obviously, I need to blend it a little bit. And that's what's up. We're gonna come back to the palette Clover, and we've got that one from Too Faced, and we're gonna use this eyeshadow. Love is Love, the same pink one that I've used at the very beginning. This one in here. Ooh, you can see how nicely it blends itself. What in here is just a patch. So we're just gonna do it in here. That's what's up. And that's what's up. And at the very bottom of my eyelashes, oh, sorry guys. So I'm using Kylie Jenner pressed powder eyeshadow in a color, I think it's burgundy. Yeah, it must be that one. So it's basically the one with the pink, ones, with the pink orangey shadows, and I'm gonna use the middle one, the middle pink, at the bottom line. Yeah. Yeah. That's the look. Now is the hardest bit, because I'm gonna try and do red eyeliner. Do you know what, guys? Actually, for the red liner, we're gonna use a lipstick, and we're gonna use the lipstick that fairly quickly dries, because I don't want to ruin my makeup. So we're gonna use the brush that's very, very tiny, and it's the brush from e.l.f. Small Smudge Brush. You won't be able to tell, but you need to trust me. It is Small Smudge Brush from e.l.f. You're gonna use a tiny little bit, literally tiny. And we're gonna put on our eyes. very carefully. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. And now we're gonna wait for it to dry. Meanwhile, we're gonna use white kajal, is that how you read it? Pencil from Essence. On our waterline. So you can see it opens our eyes. Okay, you guys. Now I think let's do some test. You can tell it's dry. Nothing. We're gonna use an eyeliner. It's Valentine Celebrity. It's a Polish brand, but I really like this eyeliner, so have a look. I know it's not really, I know this eyeliner is not very available in UK, but I really like it. Alrighty guys, so this is what it looks like with eyeliner. Now I'm gonna use the mascara, and that's the Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara. I'm not really a big fan of this mascara, if I may be honest with you, but that's the only one I've got. And I'm gonna use Shu Uemura eye curler first. And I'm gonna use mascara. And I'm gonna do the other eye exactly the same, so I'm just gonna leave you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I have added, don't worry, I don't have such beautiful eyelashes, especially not with this mascara. So I've added 2 halves of, just basically I've cut one eyelash in 2 halves and I've just stuck them on. So we're gonna use NYX, and it's the color Lippily Tan Teddy. I'm not gonna tell you, you need to really trust me because my focus on that camera is terrible. Okay, let's move on. And we're not gonna fully cover those lips. And I'm gonna tell you why in a second, but I need to do them first. So that's what it looks like. It's dry. Now we're gonna go back to Red Velvet lipstick from Lime Crime on this hard eyelash. You're gonna add a little bit more. Like that. That's basically the look for the Valentine's Day. That's what it looks like. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.